I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. I have no idea why I'm saying that, but it feels like all of these YouTube guys kind of have some kind of starting. So this is actually my first official video. I'm going to do it kind of in a vlog format. As you guys clearly saw in the B-roll up to this, I'm cleaning my office today. The home office has been something I've struggled with for the last little while, especially during this quarantine time with COVID19 going on. So got to get the home office organized, straightened up, cleaned. That way I can have an efficient way to do work. Because as of right now, I've kind of just been doing most of it on the couch. But it looks like we're not going to be getting out of this thing anytime soon. So I got to get this thing organized, prepped, ready for me to put out regular content. As some of you guys know, some of you may not know, my name is Cody Stevens. I'm the owner of DIG Marketing, which is DIG Marketing, and I build websites, do social media, print, apparel, photography, videography. Some of it I'm really good at, some of it I'm just barely getting started in, which is kind of the reason why these videos are being put together. Photography and videography is something that I'm really interested in, plus a lot of my clients need them, and what better way to offer those services than to learn it myself. So hopefully these videos, as they kind of go along, get better and better, and you guys can let me know if I'm doing a good job or not. So, but anyways, I gotta get this room clean, and so gotta get things done. Hope you guys have a good day. Take care. Had to make another cup of coffee. Forgot about the battery thing and left it running for way too long, so the battery died. So most of the office you actually missed, but coming together, pile of camera gear and some other junk, just getting everything figured out, and then get the rest of this thing wrapped up, and then I will do a little bit more B-roll at the end so you guys get to see the before and after. And hopefully this isn't like a crazy long video for my very first, but it is what it is. It's how I do. Boom!
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.